Hey, what's up everybody? This your boy jspeaksofficial here again, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to cook a hot dog. As for the ingredients, you need a hot dog, an onion of your choice, 2 mini sweet peppers, ketchup, mustard, black pepper, oil of your choice, sweet pickles, which are optional, and also shredded cheese and a hot dog bun. You want to prep your broiler to 500 degrees. After that, put your hot dog in, let it stay in there until it's crisp, or however you eat your hot dogs or whatever. In reference to sauteing your onions and your sweet peppers, throw a little bit of oil in the pan. Let them cook until your desired texture. Let them cook until they good. All right. Well, yeah, so after that, what I normally do is put my hot dog bun in the microwave for about 10 seconds. After that, take a little bit of cheese, throw it off on the inside of it. Pull the hot dog out, throw it in the bun, throw some more cheese on top of that. Put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 seconds just to let the cheese melt. And you want to be cautious about how long you're keeping it in there, because if not, your bread will toast pretty quick. After that, throw your onions and your sweet peppers on the hot dog. Put your condiments on there. And like I said, it's optional. I didn't have a chance to do it because I was rushing, but you can throw some sweet pickles on there for a little bit of added flavor. After that, go ahead, chow down on it. So if you guys like what you saw today, please like this video, subscribe to my page. Also, drop them comments for your boy.